Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this beautiful glam bronze smoky eye look, and I think this look is perfect for any party, any occasion or for any outfit, and I think this look is like one of my best works so far. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Maybelline TattooStudio brow pomade in the shade black brown, and I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas. Now with a spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Now I am priming my eyelids with my Essence E.L.F Stage Eyeshadow Primer. I have been loving this stuff lately. It makes your shadows long lasting and crease proof. I'm just slightly blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from L'Oreal. I'm just setting the primer with a little bit of loose powder, not too much, because I want that tackiness. Next, I am taking Burkina, which is a beautiful warm toned brown color, and I'm just warming up my crease. And I'm going to build up the pigmentation until I am happy with the intensity. Once that is done, I am taking this Rimmel gel eyeliner and I'm just kind of creating a wing eyeliner, and later I'm going to smudge it out, so you do not have to be precise with this step. I'm taking a matte black shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. You can take any black shade, matte black shade that you have, and I'm just smudging out that gel eyeliner. Now I am taking this brown shade, which is called Zulu, and I am just diffusing it with my crease. You have to be really patient with this step, because otherwise it's gonna look really harsh, which we do not want. Now I'm taking this beautiful, gorgeous, like coppery, bronzy kind of a shade called Casablanca, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. This is a stunning color. Now I am taking Fulani, which is a dark brown shade, and I'm just applying it between the shimmer shade and the black eyeshadow to create a sort of gradient effect. Taking the same gel eyeliner, I'm just applying it very close to my lash line. I'm going to smudge it out later using some black eyeshadow. Now I'm just smudging it out using some black eyeshadow. I have hooded eyes, that's why I have kept the line really thin. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can make it a little bit bolder. Before continuing with my eye makeup, I am going to finish my base. For that, I'm taking this E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just priming my face. This is like one of my favorite drugstore primers. It just makes your makeup long lasting and it blurs out all your imperfections. It is not particularly a pore filling primer, so keep that thing in mind. For my foundation, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. This is again one of my favorite drugstore foundations. It is very long lasting, and it is the best foundation for people with oily skin, and it gives you a medium to full coverage, which I absolutely love. Now for concealing and highlighting, I'm taking this E.L.F Camo concealer in the shade medium sand, I believe, and I'm just applying it on my usual areas. And I was using this concealer for the first time, and I realized it's like way too light for my skin tone. I do not like that much of highlighted look. we are human, we make mistakes, so we can pass that, I'm sure. Please excuse that whitey concealer. To set my concealed areas, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and I'm just setting my under eyes and my smile lines with it. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Universal Finishing Powder in Translucent. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. First, I'm just tight lining my eyes with the same Rimmel gel eyeliner. Since I wanted a little bit of pop on my eyes, so I decided to take a green eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution Wild Animal Integrity palette and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line with it. I think this is looking very pretty and it is complementing my bronze smoky eye perfectly. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Do not forget your lower lashes, okay? I'm just dusting off the excess powder. For my lashes, I'm going with this Kiss Lashes in Gala. I am obsessed with these lashes. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners using my Colourpop highlighter in Wisp. And here is the final look. Love it. Love it. I'm going to finish my face. For that, I am taking my NARS bronzer in Casino and I'm just bronzing up my face. Actually, I'm bronzing slash contouring, if that makes sense. For my blush, I am taking this L.A.Girl Island Hottie blush palette and I'm just mixing all those shades together and applying it on my cheeks. Again, obsessed with this palette. It is so stunning. Now I'm taking the same Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Wisp and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face with my finger. I think these highlighters, they work best when you use your finger and they are freaking gorgeous. Look how juicy and stunning it looks. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my Rimmel Stay Matte makeup setting spray. For my lips, I am going with my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. I think this lipstick is perfect for that eye look and that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. Isn't it so easy? And I loved the way the eye makeup turned out, especially that green. It's freaking gorgeous and again, I think it is one of my best works so far. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so do not forget to check that out. And if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below. I will be more than happy to make it for you. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.